One thing that's new this year with Connellsville Area High School schedule is Falcon Time. Falcon Time is provided for all students to get the extra help they need and extra time to learn and work on anything school related. In this video, I will show you how to access FlexTime management through your computer. So without further ado, let's get started. On your computer, you will have to go to Clever, which is the blue C in the top right corner. Once you enter into your school portal, you can click the search bar. You can just simply type in Flex and the app will pop up. Once it does, click on it. You may have to log into Flex. If you do, you can just do it through Google. Once you get to the home page, you click Join Activity. Clicking this will open up a screen for you to choose a class that you want to go to during Falcon Time. You can then click the class and then add a comment to the teacher if you want to. Once you do that, you can click the blue button and you are good to go. I hope this video helped clear up any confusion with using your computer for FlexTime management. Back to the desk.